Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going through some of my most recent estate sale finds. If you're into garage sales, thrift stores, that kind of thing, whether you're a collector or you resell on eBay, I think estate sales are one of the best ways to find unique items that are worth flipping. The thing about garage sales and even in thrift stores is that there's only a certain amount of turnover. It's the same family year to year running the sale. It's really the same stuff. There's nothing. It's uncommon that you're going to find a garage sale that has a whole lot of new stuff that hasn't already been picked over throughout the years. And that's the stuff that also goes to the thrift stores eventually, right? So it's more of the same. Estate sales, you're coming across decades worth of potential collectibles and valuables, and you just never know what you're going to find. So today I'm going to sort of go through my most recent finds, discuss sort of my intuitions about their value and what I look for, and hopefully pass along some tips that help you guys. Which I actually just sold on eBay, were these old Marvel magnets, just plain old fridge magnets. I think they're from like 1979. I was gonna originally put them up for buy it now for 20 bucks, but I realized that maybe I should look into them a bit more. And I finally looked up the Spider-Man and I saw that it had gone for crazy money. So um, I started these two off at the Hulk and uh, the Captain America at $20 starting bids. Um, Captain America ended up going for $30, and Hulk went for 56. And it's just amazing that um, there's there's comic stuff out there. There's stuff that is popular, collectibles that people will buy, and this is the kind of thing that someone would have just. This is the kind of thing that gets thrown out easy, right? It's just a little piece of plastic. You see the same thing with sort of old advertising pens and just small little plastic things that people forget about over time and don't care about. So I don't know what I paid for these. Like probably $1.50, even less, because I buy stuff in bundles. But to get almost $80 out of these is really incredible. So always keep an eye out for um, stuff like this that is just it has a wide market appeal, and it's also something that it's just easily disposable. Something that seems kind of uninteresting, but there aren't a lot of these out there anymore. They're uncommon. So yeah. Um, Other really neat thing I got at the sale was these old Welsh festival books from the early 1900s, and these have a lot of unique advertising in them, especially local advertising. You see that coal advertisement there, and it's really, these are really neat to look through, especially from a local history standpoint. And so these were like $3 a piece, I think, and I got 5 or 6 of them. So see the cool dragon there. Uh, so these I think can be anywhere from $10 to $15 a piece. So even spending $3 on an item, if you're getting several of them and they're worth $10, $15 a piece, that can be worth it in the long run if you're buying a lot of something. So my final find from the sale was something really neat. I wasn't sure about getting it because it was marked at $25. And that can be a lot to put out for an item. But I think that this was worth it. So this is a map of Monmouthsire, which is a county in Wales. And this map is from either 1612 or 1626. It was the map is by a guy named John Speed, and John Speed made these maps of Britain in the 1600s, and that they're actually in a whole compiled book. And this book, the Sotheby's value on this book is $100,000 to $200,000. And so the reason that I knew this was authentic was because it was doubly framed, and you can actually see that the back side of it came from a book. So this is, I mean, this is a really incredible thing to find from the 1600s. You know, it's in pretty great shape. There is some damage to the backside, but you know, for $25, it's really amazing. And the reason it was priced $25, I honestly think, is that someone had put pencil, written pencil on it 35 previously. So whenever this was bought, someone paid $35 for it. And so I've talked to an auctioneer who deals in these maps, and he says that it can be worth anywhere from $250 to $350. So, you know, that's really incredible. Or I think a really incredible, neat find. You know, putting out $25, you know, it seems like a lot, might seem like a lot to pay for something that you're not sure of the value on, but you know, as I said before, it's always worth the risk if it's something really unique. And you know, don't assume that something like this is a repro, because it's been confirmed to me that it's not. And you know, it was definitely worth getting. So yeah, I hope you guys will subscribe, and I plan to post more videos, you know, within the coming weeks. Hopefully do a video every week after every estate sale, and I hope that my tips helped you out on your further hunts.